Welcome back, guys, for another weekly GU analysis. Currently, right now, I'm on the daily time frame, and as you can see, my markup right now is still projecting for a bearish because on our weekly, everything is still looking bearish. This candle last week candle closed as a indecision candle, like between buyers and sellers. As you can see, the candle is like very minuscule, so that could be considered also a doji candle. So these two candles are more like doji type of candles. So indecision candle right here between buyers and sellers. So on a daily time frame, we expecting bearish continuation, but at the same time, we had this higher low that was created, pretty much saying there was more buyers at this point of time. So that's why there's a higher low that was created. But if you go on lower time frame like H4, you can see that H4 is still considered bearish, right? Because there's no actual structure that has been broken yet, although there has been high lows that's been made, but actual structure has not been broken yet. So the only where you could expect structure to be broken if it's closed above this level right here, made another high low, retest that, then that'll be the break of structure. Then we will be looking for buys from now on. But at the same, but until then, if this does not happen, we're still gonna be looking for sales. Um, Going low on lower time frame, H1 structure is broken, right? Structure is broken. H1 is bullish. So since H1 is bullish, and also it's at a resistance level, we're waiting for the breakup structure on our lower time frame, like the M5 or the M15 structure to be broken in order for us to take any type of sales opportunity. So right now everything is looking bullish right now. So we just waiting for this level, I'll say, for price to close below it. But at the same time, we're waiting for a lower high. Once the lower high is made on the lower time frame at the resistance level that we say we are at, then we can look for a breakup structure after that. But until then, H1 is still bullish. We're looking for a opportunity where it will show us that it will gonna reverse. Our M30 is also bullish. So is our M15 and M5. So everything right now is still considered bullish until it shows us that it's gonna be bearish. So this is it for this video. Not gonna make it too long. I'm still looking for sell opportunity because overall direction is bearish on GU. Yeah. This is it for this video, guys. Good luck, and I'll see you guys on the next video.